What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 stream upgrades you guys can make to make your streams look and feel way more professional and have your viewers enjoy it a lot more. Keep in mind though, guys, every one of these upgrades that I'm going to list for you is under $20, meaning it's a super cheap upgrade. You guys can pick it up and it will definitely improve your stream for you and your viewers. So before we get started, if you guys enjoy these videos, please be sure to hit that like button to let me know, and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I do post a video. And if you have any questions throughout this entire video, please feel free to drop some comments down below. I do my best to answer every single one of them. All right, guys, so let's jump in. All right, guys, so the first place I want to tell you guys about is nerdordie.com. The first upgrade you guys can make to your stream that's under $20 is a simple overlay. What this does is it's going to make your viewers feel like your stream has a more unique personality to it, and everything is going to look crisp and a lot cleaner. So you go to nerdordie.com. I've used to use overlays from these guys in the past, and they were all pretty damn good. They all look super clean and they all function really well. So we're going to scroll down here and let's check out the first one here, the grid stream package. We're going to click on that. So basically this is going to show you everything that comes in this package. So as you can see here, this is a pretty minimalistic looking overlay package, which I like. I prefer the minimalist style. I really like this, and they're all modular, so you can change the colors or the fonts or whatever you want. So just in case other people have it, it's not always going to be the same as what you have. And if we wanted to download just the overlay package here, 20 bucks. That's all it takes. So for $20, you're going to get tons of different assets that are completely modular, be able to change the colors to match your theme for your stream. You're going to get event lists and follower notifications, subscriber notifications, pretty much everything that you need for your stream to look a little bit more professional. So number 1 on my list is go pick up an overlay package. It's definitely worth it, and your stream will look so much better. So once again, guys, that is nerdordie.com. I used these guys in the past and I absolutely love them. So next up on the list, guys, coming in at number 2, we have RGB Lighting. I did a video on this last week. If you guys want to check that out, it's the last video that I posted before this one. Tons of different RGB lighting effects here, but right now we're going to focus on some RGB lighting under $20. Let's take a look. All right, so basically all you have to do is head over to Amazon and type in RGB light strip. Now what you're going to get here is a ton of the same exact thing from different brands. I can assure you that they all work. I've used so many different ones throughout the years. Some are way more expensive than others. These right here, the ones that they show you on the back of the TV, these are actually really high quality. I like those a lot. But honestly, guys, any of these like strip packages will work. And what you can basically do with this is put it around your room here. I'm going to show you guys right now. If you see behind me, I have an RGB floodlight right there that's producing that pink light, and then I have my LifeX beam over there. That's more than $20, but I have that right there that's doing the blue light there, and I have tons more in front of me. RGB lighting is definitely a cheap and amazing way to light up your stream's backdrop, and it makes it look way more clean. All right, guys, so those first 2 upgrades that I told you about, those were more of a cosmetic or like aesthetics upgrades that you can make to your stream. So these next 3 are going to be more of a quality enhancer. So for this third one, I'm going to tell you guys a secret. Get a microphone boom arm, just like I have right here. They're not expensive. You can get them on Amazon for $12 to $13. I'll show you in a second. But that will take your microphone off your desk, and it also just looks more professional, because if you feel and look more professional, people will view you as more professional. You'll act more professional, and your stream overall will look more professional. Let's check out some microphone boom arms right now. So if we head on over to Amazon here, all you have to do is search for microphone boom arm. There are tons of them. Yes, they are cheap. Some of them are really crappy made, but honestly, if your microphone is not super expensive, don't worry about it and just pick up one of these nice $20 ones that has good reviews. The newer ones are pretty good, like this. I've used these in the past, the newer. I've used the Numa. Those are the only 2 brands I've really used before I got this one that I have now. But the one that I have now is a little bit more expensive just because this is a more expensive microphone. But these right here will do the trick for just about anything that you're using when you're starting out streaming. All right, so same as number 3, this is another quality enhancer for your stream. I want you guys to pick up a microphone shock mount and a pop filter. You can usually get them in a package. What that's going to do is basically, this microphone that I'm using right now doesn't use one, but most of the microphones you guys are going to be using, which are condenser microphones, you will benefit from a shock mount. And what that does is if you hit your desk or something like that while you're playing, or just the movement of your mouse or anything like that, it kind of cancels out that vibration that would be sent to the microphone, so that is no longer audible to your viewers. And the pop filter, which is what I have right here on this microphone, protects your microphone from obviously saliva or spit, and also just makes your voice sound a little better by getting rid of some of the S-ing and the popping in your voice. So if you head on over to Amazon yet again and type in microphone shock mount, a ton of things are going to come up. You got some shock mounts here for $13. You got other kits here, $12 for a pop filter and shock mount. However, I would suggest this little kit right here. I have used this in the past, and I can assure you that it's very good quality. So here's your shock mount. Your pop filter will go right over your microphone or whatever you're using. Just make sure that when you're doing this, you get the size of the pop filter so that you know if it's going to be able to fit over your microphone. All right, guys, and last but certainly not least on my list, number 5 is lighting. Not RGB lighting. This is a quality enhancer. Again, this is not an aesthetic for your viewers. This is a quality enhancer. I want you guys to pick up a cheap $20 ring light on Amazon and use it when you're either streaming or recording your videos. When I'm recording this video right now, I have a key light right here. I have a ring light right there, getting rid of the shadowing on my face. Otherwise, if I just have my light right here, there'd be shadow on this side of my face while I'm recording. Not good. Light will make your camera perform so much better, and the quality of your video will just be 10 times better than it was before you used the light. You could pick one up for $20. When I first started, that's exactly what I did. I'm going to show you right now on Amazon what to get. So you guys are going to go on Amazon. You're going to search ring light. There's one down here for 20 bucks. Little 6-inch guy with a tripod. You're going to put that right next to your camera and have that light directed towards your face while you're streaming or recording. And it's going to increase the quality of the video that your camera is able to capture by a lot. And trust me, it really is. If you can afford to go a little more, try and get a 10-inch guy for like 35 bucks. The more light, the better. You can never have too much light. It definitely just always will help your camera in producing the best possible video. All right, guys, so that's really it. That's all I've got for you today. Those are my 5 top stream upgrades that you guys can make for under $20, and they will improve your stream or your videos drastically. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found all this information helpful in some way. And if you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video and subscribing to the channel, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. If you guys do have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below this video, and I'll do my best to answer every single one of them. All right, guys, so that's all from me. Keep your hammers up, and I'll see you in the next one.